Oh, hey y'all. Let's talk about getting in shape. You have to find one better than me. You'll never find one better than me. I wanted to talk to y'all about getting in shape. Yo, these joints are banging. That's it. Okay. What's up? Happy freaking Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Don't know when you're watching this, child, but it's a Wednesday snowstorm, child, in Chicago. So we in the house. I went to the grocery store this morning to just get some stuff so I don't have to leave again. But I'm gonna have to leave again. And I picked up these Pringles. They are so good. That is not what this video is about, but low-key it is. Let me back y'all up so y'all look close. I can't back you up too far because I don't have no bra on. Okay. So this video, y'all, is about getting in shape. Now, most of you saw my vlog, and I keep referencing this vlog a lot. I think because that was a very transparent vlog for me, and being in shape is a big deal to me. I'm not lying. These joints is banging. Anywho, but the health and wellness part is like, it's like when I even think about it, I'm cringing. But I know that's something I need to break through, and that's what I'm gonna do this month. I have still been losing weight, which is a blessing, and I've been maintaining what I lost, even though I wasn't intentionally trying to lose it. So we bless God. Amen. I ended up getting really sick in December. And like I was sick for like a month, and then I got sick again. But the first time I got sick, I don't think I had COVID. I think I had one of the other strains, like Omicron B, one of those. And I was so sick, I lost 11 pounds. It changed my appetite for stuff, and I just been making better choices since then. I'm starting a Patreon, and on Patreon is where you're going to be able to see the behind the scenes of this weight loss journey, child. Now, I'm still going to talk about it on YouTube, still share certain things with you guys. But in terms of showing you these body parts, showing you where I'm starting from, the, you know what I'm saying, the naked truth, that's the best way to put it. Baby, you got to pay for that. Now, this ain't OnlyFans, so we're not doing that. I hope that you guys will join me on my Patreon, because that's where I'm going to be showing the health and wellness, like my recipes. Like, I love to cook, and I really love to create dishes. Ironically, a lot of things I like to eat are healthy things. It's the junk food that throws me off and that makes this booty fat. You feel me? So I'm going to be sharing that with y'all, the behind the scenes. And the behind the scenes is gonna be like the naked truth. Pictures, we're talking about body parts, where I'm starting, what I look like, what I used to look like, what I'm gearing up towards, workouts. So if you wanna join me, please do. Some people have already started their health and wellness journey. For them, they started out the gate in January. For me, my first goal in January was my YouTube channel. And we got that. Thank y'all so much. Love you. And now it's like, this is February, so this is the love month, and I felt like, what better way to celebrate Black history, which I'm always living because I'm Black, but also to celebrate the love month than doing loving things for myself. And in this case, it's not going to buy clothes. It is making sure that the body that totes me around, sustains me, carries the stress, the burdens, the memories of the life I've lived so far, is in the best shape that it could possibly be in. Okay? So, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm kicking it today. No, I'm still working, but I mean, I'm kicking it in terms of what I'm eating. I still be lightweight. That's what's so funny. Like, I still be lightweight talking about I'm kicking it. I'm gonna drink this frappe and I'm not gonna have no appetite for hours because caffeine does that to me. I'm relaxing and then I start tomorrow. So yeah, I'm excited, y'all. No, I'm not. I said that through habit. I am not excited. I'm not excited. But what I am excited about is seeing myself do what I said I was going to do, and to see the results that came from what I have decided. Come on, somebody, come on. That's what I'm excited about. Everything else, pray for me. I'll see y'all soon.